Dumelang Landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, the Real Housewives of Durban, I am sorry for being late. I'm sorry for not making the things that make the post to be done on time. You probably already heard the multiple reviews, but I thought to good to know, let me also come and put in my 2 cents, right? So, let us start with Unonku, right? Unonku, who we all wanted to see in the Real Housewives of Durban, and Ugirl did not come. I respect Unonku first and foremost for the statement that she made. We knew even before the reunion that Ugirl won't be there. It was not a surprise. It was not a shocker. We just knew Ugirl is not there. And that was it. But with that said, I do feel like her presence was needed. Her opinions were needed. Even though when we all know, maybe some have amnesia, but when Unonku comes back, she's always this mzalwani. Nonku usindisiwe. Nonku has repented. Nonku has turned a new leaf. Nonku is the one apologizing. Nonku continues with amnesia. She doesn't remember some of the things that she said, and therefore she will just apologize. Uguti sindlule, right? That's what we expect from Unonku. I don't know, Uguti, what more were other people expecting, but honestly, that's the norm that we get from Unonku, Uguti. So apologize, Unonku. Others were an oversight, and her as a Christian, that's the Nonku that I know. That's the Nonku that I have seen according to what I have observed. So I think, Uguti, that's why they put that that cut boxy thingy. I don't know what is it called properly in English, but I think part of that thing being there, it was a symbol of explaining, Uguti, we see you, Queen, your presence is felt, things are not the same without you. And I really appreciated that, because they did not act as if she was an insignificant person that did not contribute highly on the Real Housewife franchise. So with that said, Nonku, farewell Gillings. I do still think, Uguti, the Real Housewives will thrive without Unonku. When people say that she's the what of the show, I still feel that the Real Housewives franchise can thrive outside Unonku Williams International. That's just me, right? So Sindlule Gundabaga Nonku, we will miss her and stuff, right? And then we get Indabaga Mini. Mina personally, guys, I understand why Mini did not come to the reunion. When you are a bully and then you remember clearly the things that you did, and when you reflect back, Uguti, there is no way in hell where the clips from the season or the unseen unseen videos, if I'm saying the right English terminologies, but the unseen clips or unseen scenes of the show were played. She knew she was going to come out bad, and she knew, Uguti, at this point, whatever explanation that she would have tried to land was not going to land. It was not going to land even if she tried whichever trick. And the reason why it was never going to land is because Ugirl portrayed Ulondi as a crazy woman that just came there to bully her and to make her feel somehow and stuff. So that's just me, right? With that said, I don't feel Uguti she would have given any answer that would have made us lose or win something. I believe, Uguti, the reunion was still going to go well with or without her. At this point, we can see that she's an insignificant part of the show and she cannot be a member, because Unonku came as the friend of the show, if I remember well, but Ugirl stayed because of her character, because of who she is, because she stayed true to who she was. And we have seen, Uguti, Unonku over the course of time. She was relaxed, she was herself. She did not have to bully somebody for her space to be felt, because the truth is, as South Africans, we don't like bullies, guys. Or maybe we've been bullied a lot during apartheid eras, at this point nje into enebullying ngaphakathi we just don't want. Then kube ubani, kube Precious. Okay, Precious landed, guys. Precious landed, which I believe I might be wrong, but which I believe it was a wrong move. The reason why I'm saying it was a wrong move, Precious came and I thought, or I believed it was to redeem herself, right? It was for her to say, no man, where's the king? Kitseni, kiboni, flop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But instead of her correcting whatever, things became hysterically worse. Instead of her thinking, Uguti, no, this is how I could have savaged my name and who I am, things became worse. What made things worse is now there is a weave, and stuff. And speaking of that weave, I like Angel, but I feel Ugutu Angel was mean unnecessarily to Precious simply because Precious called her two-faced. Right? Yes, Precious was wrong, but I think Uguti ezinye izinto begazi keep her because of what Precious said. Was that right? No, because also Ulo and Precious had already spoken and squashed the whole thing. They spoke about the whole thing. They squashed it. Why should she bring it up? Because Asetabaya High also in the first place, she should just have minded her own business. And I also think Uguti, Angel and the twins were somehow in Minnie's corner, but all of a sudden now they are not on Minnie's side because Minnie is not there. Well, Angel did explain her side to say, I've changed my mind now that I've seen what had happened. But the twins saw everything, even on the boat. Even on the boat, the twins saw. Why there and there? Basa correcta Chomi. I wanted to say, show me. Guys, show me. We are better show me. They did not do that, and for that, I think Uguti Nabonje, the level of their education somehow is not working on their behalf. Right. Then there was the issue of the twins being misrepresented when it came to the show about the outfit thingy. It was broken down to say it was more than the outfit that was discussed, and the bargain. The production made it seem like all that they were arguing about was the swimwear, and it's not that. But it was not told to us with kahle what was said. But it looks like between them and Londi, whatever that was said was squashed, was fixed, and they sang Ikumbaya. And then the husband were brought in, guys. Mina personally, I think the husbands were brought in to outline this thing yaga batuban. To outline Daba Yumchito, Gafafa and the husband, and they did that. Do I think it was a good idea? No. Do I think Fafa must come back? Definitely. Why? The husband is showing us vele interity, how they live, and they are living their truth, and they are not being honest. What I love the most about them is that they felt the need to be honest and transparent to everyone rather than hiding. Which for me it's a good strength, right? I would like to know more about them. I would like to see where their marriage is ending, is going to conclude. I'm rooting for them, Bazalan. I want to be honest. Many a times such marriages don't make it, but I pray that they make it. Yeah, because I like the guy, I like them, I like Fafa. Guys, Fafa is extremely beautiful. But now also, the husbands were there, but Indotagalo was not there. Number one, Indodaga Sorisha was not there. My question is, where were they? Like, what was so important? Or was Viv busy building a third mall, wanting to surprise Sorisha? And then Sorisha made a jab or a clapback or something about a payslip. Did you guys hear that? When she said, I'm not the director of the show. I'm a normal cast member. I don't like saying this, but I have a payslip. But I'm hoping that the second part of the reunion will give us more, because I saw people crying. I'm like, I want everything. Why are they crying? What's happening? Yeah, but yeah, that is the first half. I felt Uguti Nonku and Minnie's presence was going to give it a vavavoom, but we cannot cry over spilled milk. What we can do is focus on what's coming in the next barking episode. they say they recorded for the whole day until the AMs. So I hope they give us 3 parts, because I saw people keep on saying 2 parts, 2 parts, 2 parts. It needs to be 3 parts. We are not asking them, we are telling them. This is your girl, Disable D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.